3 health benefits that apple cider vinegar has for your health. According to several researchers, apple cider vinegar may improve your health. Several of the potential advantages of apple cider vinegar include: 1. Reduction of blood sugar. Diabetes and blood sugar regulation are 2 of apple cider vinegar's most prominent health benefits. According to studies, drinking apple cider vinegar after a meal can reduce blood sugar. For those who have type 2 diabetes or prediabetes, this may be useful. 2. Calming indigestion. Acid reflux and gastroesophageal reflux disease. Apple cider vinegar has been a popular cure for acid reflux among many people. 3. Weight loss. Studies revealed that incorporating apple cider vinegar into a balanced diet may aid in weight loss. Have you used apple cider vinegar? Let us know in the comments if it helped you. If you want more information, you can read it in the description down below. Or watch this next video.